Hello friends, welcome back to CDL. Today we will learn sketch based command part workbench. So today we will learn this sketch based feature. In that we will learn pad command. Before move forward, I will create one simple sketch here. So let's draw one sketch, simple square or rectangle. I will exit. So once you draw any sketch, just simply click on this pad. Here we have three options, three pads, different types of pad, drafted fill pad, and another one is the multi pad. So we will learn how to do simple pad. Just click on this pad. Once you click pad, you have to select this geometry. Once you select geometry, it will show by default as a 20 height. So if you want to increase that height, you can increase as a 50. So if you click on preview, it will looks like this. I will explain here simple UI of this pad. I will cancel. Before moving forward, I will cancel this one and I will click this pad. So this is the first limit, that is type. We do have types, dimension, up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. So we have sketch, so it will take by default now dimension. Length, how much length we want, for example how much height here, how much pad we want. You can edit manually. If you want to change, you can change. Let's say for example I will give here 50, and here I haven't select any profile, so it will ask me to select any profile. So I will select profile here. This is the highlighted option, select list. So it means it's asking to select profile. So you can see at the left bottom, enter desired data to modify the pad. So we have entered, and I will select this geometry here. I have given here 50 height. If you click on preview, it looks like complete full solid body. That is nothing but the pad. And if you want in reverse direction, you can click on this reverse direction. It will show in reverse direction. If you want mirror extend, so you can click on here, it will give in mirror extend. So I will show you here before seeing preview how it looks. One more time, I will click on this pad option. I will select this geometry. So it's showing solid body upward direction. So here we had given it by default, it took 20 mm. We can change any as 30 or maybe 40. So let it be as a 20 as of now. I will show you. And here we do have options. You can drag upside. Just simply select and move upside, so it will increase that height. If you click here, it will change his direction. Move upside, it will increase that height. I'll show you. So this is now its limit. If you increase this one, it will increase height. How much you want, you can increase. If you don't want to increase like this, then you can change value from here. Let's say I will give 50. So if you want mirror extend, just click on this. So original sketch is this one, and it will be a mirror extend. You see, it's a mirror extend at downward side. If you don't want mirror extend, then don't select this box. If you want in reverse direction, here we have one more button for reverse direction. You can select this reverse direction. In your pad, solid body will be created at the reverse direction. We have one more option here, thick. So it will show how much thick you want. So here we have limit. So this is the second limit, dimension, and length is 0 mm. For thickness we don't want anything, and direction normal to the profile. Here we have thin pad, how much we want. So if you increase this one, so it will increase that thickness at inside. If you increase this direction, so it will increase outer side. So I will show you how it looks. So before that, I will not apply any thickness here. So I will explain simple. I will just minimize this one, and I will show you how it looks simple pad. So this is the simple pad body, complete simple pad body. And if you want in reverse direction, you can reverse direction. If you click OK, it will go downwards direction. as I shown you here, if you want in mirror direction, you can just preview, it will show in both sides, because it took mirror of this first solid body. So I will click OK here. I don't want this mirror extend, so I will click OK. So this is complete solid body. So we have another option here, that is the drafted filtered pad option. Before that, one more time I want to show you one thing. If suppose you don't have any geometry, so you can draw from here. Just click on this sketch. It will you can enter in sketch workbench. So you have to just select any plane. It will enter in sketch workbench. So now you can draw any geometry. Let's say I will draw in a circle, and I will exit. So this is my new circle, and here it took default 50 mm. So I had given this 50 mm length for this rectangle, this box. So it took by default value 50 mm for this circle. So if you preview, it looks like this. This is the complete solid cylinder. So just click OK. We have another option here, drafted fillet pad. So I will draw one more rectangle here. Now we will try to use this drafted fillet pad option. So it asking me limit, how much limit you want. So I will select here this plane. Let's say I will select XY plane, same plane I will select for limit, and this complete body box will create. How it looks like, I will show you here. Just preview, and it looks like this. I will just zoom it. I will show you this another option. So lateral radius means this vertical radius, it will reduce. I will show you in this another direction. Let's see. So I will let's say I will decrease this one, and I will just preview. So this radius, this lateral radius will change. So this is the first limit radius. So first limit radius, if you increase first limit radius, and if you see in preview mode, so it will show in this here. This is the first limit radius. Let's say I will increase as a 10 mm and 10 mm, and I will click on preview. So this radius is increasing. So this is the lateral radius, this is the first limit radius, and second limit radius is the downside here. Okay, so I hope you guys understood this types of pad, and this is the drafted fillet pad. So this is one more option here in UI. I will show you here. This is the angle, how much degree angle you want. If you increase this angle or decrease this angle, it will impact, it will change your geometry as well. So see, I change my angle, so this geometry also changed. And this is the second limit. You can change second limit here also. You can select that natural element, which element you want, select. So click OK. So this is the drafted fillet pad. We will see another option here. We have multi-pad. So for multi-pad, I will draw different geometry. I will select this plane as a surface face, this surface as a reference, and I will draw in geometry here in this surface. So let's enter in sketch workbench. I will draw different geometry. Let's say I will draw here one circle, and I will draw one more here rectangle, or you can say square. So let's finish. And if I want to create pad as a multi-pad, so I will click on this multi-pad option, and you see these both geometry got selected, and it will show here extrusion dimension, which dimension you want. So here, if I given here length, now it is length is 0, so I can change here as a 10 mm. Let's preview how it's showing. For 10 mm it's showing like this. You can increase here from this arrow also. If you preview, it looks like this. So one more time, how multi-pad will work. So by default those sketch already selected, and if I change here as a 20 mm, so if I do preview, so what it should ask is one error it came. the operation performed on the feature is unnecessary. So just click OK. I will select this first extrusion, first geometry, and I will just preview. So this is the 0 mm dimension length, so that's why it's not affecting anything. I will increase as a till 50 here, and I have selected this first element, so that's why first element height is increased. And if I select second and if I change here value as a 20 mm, so it will change that value. If I click on preview, so it looks like this multi-pad. So with pad it's not possible to do such things like if we try to create multi-pad for with the help of this pad command, so it is not possible. I can show you here. Now I will do undo. It become too much undo, so I have to do redo here. So I drawn these two geometry here. If I click on first pad option here, so it won't allow me to select single select this both geometry. It will increase the same height. It is not possible to increase with a different height. You see, it will become a same. It will increase with same height. So to avoid such issue, so we have to go with multi-pad option. So it will give more feasibility to increase different height. Okay friend, we will meet in next video. So thank you, and if you like our videos, please do like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.